Yabo, yenza ublonde wami ebe more blonde. Ngathi ngiyi-China.
Suvela ubabovu kakhulu.
Ngathi ngiyi-China. Hawu.
Awufake le filter yakho le.
Ayingeke le ithe. I'll be
ugly.
ugly. Ngizoba mubi.
Kahle uzoshintsha phela into abantu mase bekhuluma la.
Ngizoba mubi. Co-host Katie. I don't know, guys, if I want to co-host. I don't know. Cause I'm just showing people. Go see, I did it. Ngidayile. I did it. I did it. I didn't. I knew it. I knew it. I knew it all along. You wouldn't listen. I was right and you were wrong. Guys, I did it. I just finished dyeing my hair. I'm still like trying to get used to it. Mara. That's in Gipa. Thank you so much. I can't get over this look, guys. I can't get over it. I can't get over it. I can't read. I don't really like when I co-host because my battery is like really low and I have to buy.
Yeah.
I have to leave soon, so I can't really co-host. I just want to show the people who voted for blonde. We'll see, I did blonde, and this is how it looks. And I don't know how long it's gonna take for me to get used to the look, but so far so good. I'm loving it. Though I'm being even at my angle, and it's, did I really make the right decision? Thank you so much, you know me. And I almost did ruby red, but I was like, no, let me see blonde. Let me see blonde. And there's so many shades of blonde, guys. I didn't know which one to go with. Guys, then I get this one, beach blonde. I'm a blondie. 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 Thank you so much. Inami, thank you so much. I can't wait to see my mom's reaction. Wena kade ngasho ngathi khonto off ngawe. Futhi kube ngidaye namashiya. It's gonna look crazy though. Ngisemadlebe angeke. Mina manje live ngisebenzisa le filter class. Yiphi? Ngizofaka yiphi? Bazobona lapha kwi-feed yami. But this is my filter for I'm alive. I look like a party. I was like, I'm happy. I'm glad it was kind of thinking about hippies on. And the thing is, I did it myself. So I can say I have magic hands. I have magic hands. Thank you so much, Yandisa. Thank you, Samgela on Johnny. Nothing God. Someone said I have a childlike excitement and it's really showing off right now. The way happy the call. My mom is definitely not watching the live, that I know. Go to now TikTok, but I don't think in a book live. Hey, Nomsa, how are you doing, girl? I mean, I'm good. Young Fanela, ne? Thank you so much. And some people were like, do not dye your hair. Alright, so black. I know when you write me black, but I just wanted to see, you know. I got to try it out. Ngiyabonga Thando. Thank you so much. Getting hit me a call and got Christmas. Good vibes, Ned. Definitely good vibes. Like, I love the look so much. I've never actually done my hair like so. I'm really like happy with I actually did it because I was scared. Thank you, Gamo. Thank you so much. Uzobhala mina for real. And uzobhala mina because even yesterday you were here, you're on my life. But food, I don't know ngisho. Uma umfundi cela uyofunda. Thank you so much, Judy. Ngiyabonga. Kusangivideo call wonke umuntu engikhuluma naye ngibatshela ukuthi ngidayile. Sengiyestradini mengibona ukuthi sengidayile. I'm still gonna post, yeah. Especially for the people who actually suggested a blonde. Yeah, Papa, the thing is I'm happy, guys. Like, I'm in a big mood. I told you I have a childlike excitement when I'm happy. Ekhaya is Olundi in KwaZulu Natal. Olundi Olumahlikihliki in KwaZulu Natal. Mahlabatini. But right now I'm in Johannesburg. You said Johannesburg. I'm starting at UJ, serious Njangamande. But a few days I'm going home. It's Soweto because I'm Soweto. So I'm going home in Soweto. I'm going to chill and then go to KZN. Even your voice pakancane. Nomshini. Hi guys, mina ngifana nomshini. But maybe hanyani.
Bye.
Umuntu ofana nomshini uenhle. If you know El Nabani. Uenhle ufana nomshini. Thank you so much, Lebo. Thank you so much. No, normally it's in zippers. I'm saying the sense. Gimbali Gababa. It's getting hot here. It's getting hot in this room actually.
She's away in a job.
Ngiyavuza ekhanda. So hi Spesihle. Ngiyabonga. Magangster unjani? Spesihle, you done writing. Usengibasha ngebheng. Ngoba ngincomile ngizothi ngiyaqala kulive ukuthi kube khona umuntu ocela ukuthi ngicela kudansa bese ngiyadansa dlala ngabe ukuthi ngithole kahle nginile so why not and I'm in a big mood. POV, you just did your hair, you took a risk guys. That's a risk in video sengibonile ngibona ngami bonke ngisho ngiveza sibusiso ngibona ngami kumnandi ukuthatha ama risk. I look like Zine. Thank you so much. Yeah, I look like Z. Hanyan. indoda yakhe imithisiile. Indoda yakhe imithisiile. Ungamlahli uzomithisa nathi. As long as ungamithisa wena right. Phola nje simene njengetsheketshe. Ziningi lezi zinto la ngaphandle. Uyacasuka le. Baningi vele abafana ngaphandle. Wena nje jabulela ukuthi akamithisanga wena. Ngoba ububithise wena. Ngabe sikhuluma enye indaba. Sikhanda imithisiwe. Ngiyacabanga yazi lento kuqeda ngisho khanye. Imithise man. Hi Fana, how you doing? Guys, ngicela siduduzeni ukhanye la kuma comments. Sindoda yakhe imithisiwe. Yo, mina nginokhohlakela ukanamlafe. Imithisiwe was 3. Bekumele ungabe usasho nokuthi indoda yami. Busuro kakhulu lo la ilothi indoda yami imithisiwe was 3. Angeke. Angeke. Sumfaka kwani bubesi. Hi Mapule, how you doing? Uthuba nlendoda ebhongayo. Ayikhulumele indoda.
Ngibubesi phela.
Basho wena mabisi bubesi. Usathi ukuthi ukhanye bakathathe mina. Kanye, I have a man for you, Alpa. Comments. I have a man. And uzobuhater. I'm joking. Uzobuhater inganabathi ngiyakusaba. So I actually can't do without you. Nembona kuseqalile. Yiyo kade ngisho uzomhetha. Jekisa ngisho ama signs kwamanje. Awushayile ya dance phela. Khuleka. Manje, hi Fana, how you doing? Can you indoda kuma comments? Ungayeki. It's not I can't live without you. Ningibeme emshadweni wenu guys kuzosho isitori ukuthi ngangikhona bahlangana lapha ku live when I had dyed my hair blonde. Woo! And uyayifitha ke criteria yakho khaya kusengabona upost ama requirements lapha ku Instagram ukuthi ufuna. Trust me, I want them tick. Ngitshela. Nango sengibiza ngomashika. Awusukune-bad ngempela umuntu. Uthanda mina. Uthanda wena ngempela ngeke qamba manga. Baqamba manga abafana. Abo uma uthanda wena. Mkholwe. Uthanda wena. Le ntombazane imbambe ngenkani. Melia, how are you doing? Ubani vele wathi actually. Thank you so much. I did it. But I'm still not used to the look, guys. I'm still not used to it, but it's kind of like sinking. Ututhanda mina cela ungashintshi yangisanganisa fana nawe ngeke phinda bekhona kulelize kukhona okuthize ngathi ngiglile ungenza ngibize Guys, I'm just here to show you all my hair for those who just joined. What color is it? It's beach blonde. Yeah, beach blonde. Look a bit different, Kodong. And I look different, yes. I look like someone else. Thank you. Why did I cut my hair? I actually wanted to treat my scalp. Mina ngine dandruff engaka. Like ngine scalp sensitive. Bengithi mangilukile dandruff iqale like day after ngilukile. So I was like, let me just cut ikhanda lami shower more and treat my scalp. And that's what abantu abane dandruff, people who have like thick dandruff, but they have jealousy issues or something like that. And trust me, wabuka kwi direction yomuntu wami. Ikho ngenamuntu, ikho ngafune umuntu because I'm joking. Ayibo uthatha futhi nguza uzipho yahloba. Unaso yini? Nginaso yini? Mina nginesikhwele senja, guys. Mina nginesikhwele senja ke. Dwangamabu dwa. I can't really better this dance with a serious face. You see when I have that filter on? Trust me. Trust me. It goes down. It goes down in the DMs. It goes down. Like, why though? Yeah, call until you DM me the full name. DM me the full name so that I can be sure to Tolanyani. What does it mean? Zeketelo, according to Google, it means best favored by God or favored by God. And you find it that name, that word, Yeketelo, in the Bible. But for me, I think my parents meant precious girls or something like that. Precious. Because I'm the second girl, Kumawami. And I'm the fifth girl, Kubabwami. After 7 boys. So my dad was like, okay, I'm getting girls now. Yo, they're so precious. I love them. And then my mom was like, Zeketelo. Is it don't be Zeketelo? Precious girls or precious whatever, something like that. But I'm also favored by God. I hope, yeah. And guys, my battery is really low now. I just wanted to show you my hair, and then that's it. Let me go finish my food because I'm and finish my video. Otherwise, I love you guys. Ubuza nomshunqi siyabona sengiqalileke suqalileke siphebona. Invele. Yini ke nje? Ngisukelelani. I'm drinking coffee. Having coffee. Kabanda la juice. And I'm wearing fake shirt kanje. Otherwise, toodles. Ngiyazalam gami. Ngiyathanda amaliza eyes. Guys, bye-bye. Angazi ngizonibona nini. We gotta finish my video. Toodles. Get to turn